Well, we're getting ready to go, trying to get the all packed up, and it is about to just storm like crazy. Oh, there you go. And Karen got it all packed just as the rain started coming down.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
So we're on our way to the lake and we decided to stop for some ice cream here in Sedalia, Missouri.
Get away, this is what we waited for.
It's not allowed. I know it's not fair. Okay, pop cup. Mommy's gonna go get your pop cup. Oh. Over there. Oh boy. Get your pop cup. Yeah, and there's a bathroom in that bedroom. Come on in, guys.
From when Aaron's parents lived down here.
There are tiny bugs crawling all over me.
Oh, you must draw them. I don't have any. Oh, we can go out for dinner
You can have
tonight.
toast.
On the schedule thing tonight was free. Kelly
Yeah, free
gets
is
free.
doing whatever.
Yeah, Kelly doesn't have to cook. There is a state park right behind it.
Well, in a few minutes, this jumping platform that I'm sitting on is going to rock and roll like crazy. Here, see the waves, see the waves, see them, see them, see them. Here they come. Zoop, zoop, zoop. And no, I have no intention of jumping off this diving platform. Whoa, staring at me. Can you help me down?
Are you stuck?
I think I'm stuck. We're not in Texas. We're in the Ozarks, but they had a Texas mug. And it's cute.
Those aren't catfish.
No, those are not. There's some perch, Carrie. Itty bitty ones out here.
I haven't seen you in a while, have I? I didn't get to see you last time. Hey, my nose is Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, oh.
There's a bunch of little ones too.
They're over there too.
Yeah, they're in between these docks as well.
These dogs and there's some right in here. Well, then they're all morning. That's it, man.
Oh, there's one right directly in front of your boat, just right where the point of your boat is.
I'm just sitting here going, man, we need some home.
Oh, now he's swimming. Now he's swimming towards you.
Right?
Well, it is storming like crazy back home in Kansas City. So far, so good here, down at the Lake of the Ozarks.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. But still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.
That's cute.
5 to start going by weight.
Okay.
They're $1.95 a piece for a regular bonbons, but then they're just a little more for a special.
These are so cute, yeah.
My favorite is that pumpkin spice one right
Mhm.
there. It's super good. Those are speculoos. It's like a oatmeal filled inside.
Before I realized I was out of my way. We sit and talk, I see
Okay, here we go. Filet mignon on the grill.
Alright, let's see if I can find something to turn these with.
If you don't get the handle close.
Carrie was the hero. She found stuff. Carrie prepared the steak. I'm gonna sit here and grill the steak. I think we're gonna have a delicious dinner tonight. Let's get this steak nice and well done, how a steak should be. And dinner's gonna be delicious. Let's flip the steak. Here's carrot.
Yes. Yes, that is.
And let me cover it and let it rest. Well guys, we had so much fun at the lake. It was such a blessing to get all the siblings back together. As you can see, we're all packed up. Charlie's got a little comfy place back there. We're ready to go. If you've watched the video and you enjoyed it, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.